Okay, this is number 15 from chapter 5.1. I was asked, is there a way to do this in StatCrunch? It's not too hard to do without StatCrunch. All you need to do to get the probability is sum up the frequencies, get the total number of events we're talking about, and then divide each of the frequencies by the total. Um, you might recognize this from earlier part of the class where we were talking about relative frequency. So probability here is just the relative frequency of each of these different categories. So there might be a better way to do this in StatCrunch, but what I always do is I create a bar graph. So if I go to graph, bar plot, and this is summary data, categories are in response, and then counts are in frequency. I'm going to order by the worksheet so things stay in order. I want a relative frequency graph, right? That's really going to be the probability. And I want to display that probability above the bar in the graph. So let's see if I can get this a little bigger. So you can see each of these is just the relative frequency. So never is 0.02. Okay. Now I would just go on and on from here, filling in these probabilities. Okay. So that's a nice little connection for the class. The probability here is just the relative frequency of each of these responses to the survey.